Hello everyone, once again, my name is Lucia Margaret. You're almost welcome to our YouTube channel once again. And today we are going to look at specifically areas concerning search resources and tools, which is part of our search strategy, information literacy. So therefore, we are going to see how you can use some of the search engines. So we are going to look at specifically one of them of our most common search engine, that is Google. However, there are also other alternative search engines such as DuckDuckGo, there is StartPage, there is Bing. Actually, Bing, in most cases, is sometimes found in database PowerPoint, especially when we are searching for online pictures. So, I in most cases find it where there are pictures and for online. So therefore, let's say I can use one of the most common search engine that we all know as Google. So therefore, I'm going to go to Google Chrome, opening, not come here. So I'd like to search for something. I'd like to search for something using Google. So before I search for something in a previous video that I've already made, we said that you should be able to have brainstormed all the keywords in your search topic or search question. You could have understood them. So let's look at this, which you are going to search for. So you are going to search for this one, the insects of afforestation. To the neighboring community. If you are to look at this, effects of afforestation to the neighboring community. Here the keywords are effects of afforestation. So here the keywords we have afforestation and the neighboring community. But apart from this, when you're making your research, be specific so that you can narrow down the results. So you're looking at the effects of afforestation in the neighboring community, in which country, in which because there are many countries. So to narrow down the result, you specify the area. So let me say in Uganda. So I just come and put in automatically they appear as a research for you. But remember that Google itself gives both the published and the unpublished work. So it's better to get published work, meaning that if the work is unpublished, somebody might not believe that this work is valid or not. So everything, whether valid or not valid, published, unpublished, all are mixed up. So it's better to use the special search engines, and one of them is Google Scholar. This one is used for academic research. Let's see something concerning Google Scholar. So if you want to go to Google Scholar, you just come to this here and then you just type Google Scholar. And this is only and only if you are looking for the published work. Not getting this kind of click on Google Scholar. Automatically our search results have arrived. So if you're looking for Google Scholar deals with especially publications. It provides dates. This Google Scholar, if you look at it, when you're searching for something in Google Scholar, you need to be specific. So let me say the same question. I like to look for articles concerning the effects of afforestation to neighboring communities in Uganda. I'm being specific for putting the country, but I just said like that I'll get articles, very many articles, even those of yours that I don't need. For instance, let's take a look at what they bring to us. Look that we bring for us very many articles of different kinds, but you as a person want them in a particular year. So shall just come and include the year in which you're in. We say between 2020 and 2024. Are the articles I'd like to get. I'll get those many articles. In here you can download by clicking on this. So that's what you can say concerning Google Scholar. However, Google Scholar for it, you can also find very many related articles, very many citations. So that's what you can do concerning Google Scholar. However, Google Scholar only focuses on academic research, but there are also other search engines which are also specialized search engines. For example, we have Google Images, which focuses on images, image searching, which is an image searching engine. Then we also have another search engine which specializes on videos, and that is YouTube, which is a worldwide video search engine. So you can publish track, you only go to Google Scholar. If you have to look for Google Images, then it publishes images. This one publishes all kinds of images that you search for. For instance, I want to get an image concerning afforestation. So I just got to Google image. Images. This is a specialized search engine. Automatically, I bring this, I'll just come and search. Automatically it's going to bring this. So that you're going to type which kind of images are you looking for. But specifically, using this app called this search engine called Google Images, We are going to search for specifically images which deal with still afforestation. So just type that afforestation to get the image that I'm searching for. Just put the internet and automatically putting afforestation. There are very many pictures that I'll see in different countries, different places, because I didn't specify which country. If I put in this particular country where I said it should be specific, you automatically see from that very country. So thank you very much. Your audience, please stay tuned and feel free to use all kinds of search engines to get the information you need, both published and unpublished knowledge together. That is Google. But the published ones are only found in Google Scholar. It specializes in only academic research. So thank you very much. Thank you for listening, and please stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment. So thank you very much and share blessed day.